So let's try this mask. Oh my god, this mask is so comfortable. It's so comfortable, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. It's so comfortable. Okay, for the fact that you need only 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. You need only 1 minute just to get yourself a brand new mask. Yes, you heard me, guys. 1 minute to get yourself a brand new mask is amazing. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm dancing. I'm super excited. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the easiest way to make a face mask at home in 1 minute. So stay tuned. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's jump into this video, guys.
I've been flying from town to town.
So these are the fabric I will be using to do the face mask, and we need scissors and hair bands.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect.
So I'm using this one to do the measurement of this. And then I'm gonna cut this side as well.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show. And
So now we have 2 pieces. So this is my hair scarf that I never used, so I'm going to use it to do a face mask.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying
So now we have our 3 fabrics.
to protect your soul. We are heroes.
You can iron the cloth if you want, so I'm going to fold it into 2 like this, and then use your hand to smoothen the clothes, and then fold it again. Then take your hairband and then attach it here at the ends, and then on the other side you can always adjust it, guys. If it's too big, you can adjust it. If it's too little, you can adjust it to your preference. Okay, so I'm going to take this side and then fold it like this, and then take this side and then fold it inside like this. Voila, you have your face mask.
Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
Voila, we have our 3 masks now. So this mask, the good thing is that it's washable. Okay, so if one is dirty, I'll have to put it in the washing machine, and if you don't have washing machine, use your hand to wash it. Okay, they are all the same. Wash is wash. So these are all our masks.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
So let's try this mask. Oh my god, this mask is so comfortable. It's so comfortable, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. It's so comfortable. Okay, for the fact that you need only 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. You need only 1 minute just to get yourself a brand new mask. Yes, you heard me, guys. 1 minute to get yourself a brand new mask is amazing. Okay.
And I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
Okay, as I said earlier, if you need to adjust it, okay?
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes too.
So that is it for this video, guys. Now you can go ahead and make your own mask at home in 1 minute. Okay, please don't forget to share this video. Okay, you don't know who you will help by sharing this video. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.